Alofa, boys and girls.
I'm Si'i.
And I'm Chan.
Hello.
And together we are Si'i and Chan.
We are here today to talk to you and to show you how to do a Samoan Si'i.
Si'i!
In the Pacific culture, there are many ways to showing support.
And in the Samoan culture, there is a custom known as the Si'i Alofa, or as it is commonly known, the Si'i. A Si'i Alofa is a customary ritual of showing love and support towards our families, friends, loved ones, acquaintances when an important event occurs. There are many occasions in which different Si'is can occur. For example, a wedding, a funeral, or even bestowing of a chiefly title. But for this situation, our host family will be preparing for a wedding.
You can have a Si'i in some place like this, or maybe here, or like here, or there.
A good rule of thumb is that you should always remember to take a lava with you when you are going to a Si'i.
Oh my gosh. A Si'i is basically involved two groups of families, the first group being the host group and the second being the visiting group. In today's example of the Si'i, the host family will be in yellow.
Hi, everybody.
While our visiting family will be in green.
Let's check out the main players in the ceremony. On the yellow side we have
the Mataiali'i, or the big boss man, the Orator or Tula Fale, who's doing most of the talking, the bride and groom, the aunties, and the Maitai and Taulealea.
And on the green side, it's pretty much the same, but not limited to the high-talking chief or the Tula Fale, the oldest taupo of the family, and the helpful Tamaitai and Taulealea.
And this is how it all begins. The host families welcome the guest with a fatu lima, a formal Samoan welcome.
The visiting orator, with great humility and gratitude, will explain the reason they are here is to show their undying support for this great and momentous occasion. Have you ever sat there trying your best to understand what's going on? Well, you're not alone. The orator's language is a very special language, basically consisting of quotes, proverbs, scripture, and metaphoric sayings from old legends. The Ietonga or fine mats are presented in the same manner in all Si'is. First, it is opened up and showcased to everyone present. This is known as Fa'alelele Pepe. The fine mat is then folded and presented to the host family. And make sure when you're stacking up those mats, place those frilly ends behind you.
And then, an envelope containing money is given to the Matai to help the family with any wedding preparation. Boxes of food goods are also given. This can vary from tinned fish to corned beef, half a cow to, if you're rich, a whole cow. Now the host orator will thank you to the visiting family for their beautiful gift.
After the wedding ceremony, our host family will return gifts to show their appreciation for all the support given to them by their families.
As is the usual protocol of Samoa, everyone is a winner.
And that is the introduction on how to do a Samoan Si'i.
Yeah, now you can come together and help each other do these things. That's your culture, that's your pride. Be happy, be yourself, be a man. Thank you for watching.